Okay. Okay. Previous class we started quantitative techniques. In that we started the topic of assignment. Okay. So assignment is a special case of linear programming technique, as well as it is a special part of transportation also. It means in the field of quantitative techniques, first assignment issues are dealt in linear programming technique. Thereafter it is covered in transportation also, but the procedure which is used in linear programming and transportation is quite difficult. It will not be easy, and it is time consuming as well. So this is the reason ki a new innovative method is needed. So Hungarian mathematician has developed this method, simplified method. So by using this method we can get the assignment procedure easily and in less consumption of time as well. So the procedure has been simplified by the Hungarian mathematician. So in assignment topic we need to understand the Hungarian mathematician rules regarding assignment procedure. Understand? So first point, in any topic of quantitative techniques will be having two objectives. First objective is maximization of profit. Second, either minimization of cost, either maximization of profit or minimization of cost. Clear? Always one objective will be there: maximization of profit, minimization of cost. So in all topics, either it will be transportation, assignment, linear programming, mostly minimization of cost or maximization of profit is covered. Clear? So in assignment also the basic objective is what? Minimization of cost or maximization of profit. But apart from cost and profit, minimization will be covering the aspect of time. Clear? Next, maximization is covering the aspect of revenue or profit also. Revenue or profit also. Next, in Hungarian mathematician rules, the basic principle or basic objective is always 1:1 relationship between assignment. It means one job should be allocated to one person only. Two jobs cannot be allocated to one person, or generally two persons cannot do a single job. So 1:1 relation is mandatory here. So this is the reason ki matrix should be always balanced. Matrix should be always balanced. If matrix is not balanced, it is compulsory to be balanced by introducing a dummy row or column. Clear? So first point, before starting the solution, what we have to check is problem is minimization problem, problem is maximization problem. So if minimization problem means, first we understand that this is a minimization situation, so immediately we can check this is a balanced matrix or unbalanced matrix. So balanced matrix means generally directly we can start the procedure. Unbalanced matrix means we have to convert unbalance into balance. So this depends on number of rows and columns. Clear? Why number of rows and columns should be equal? Because 1:1 relation is basic rule, basic condition in assignment procedure of Hungarian mathematician. Okay? Suppose the question is on minimization of cost. The question is on minimization of cost. So what rules he has given for getting the assignment or getting the assignment final answer? So first step, first working he explained as row operation. So row operation means first we have to check in each row what is the smallest element. That is, smallest element is deducted from other elements. So you will get a cost difference. You will get what? Cost difference or time difference. Clear? Cost difference or time difference. So this is also termed as opportunity cost or opportunity. Clear? After that, next operation is column operation. So column operation means again after performing the row operation in resulting matrix, we have to perform column operation. So same principle is prescribed here also. In column also, which one is smallest element in each column, that will be selected and that is deducted from other elements of the respective column. After these two steps, next working or next step required is number of lines to be drawn. So minimum number of lines we have to draw. Always remember, minimum number of lines we have to draw. Why this rule is given? The question is, why this rule is given? It's a very simple reason. If your matrix is 4 into 4 or 3 into 3, it means you have to give 3 allocations in case of 3 into 3 matrix, 4 allocations in case of 4 into 4 matrix. So number of lines should be also 3 or 4. So it represents what? Your solution is ready for final assignment. Your solution is ready for final assignment. This is the reason key lines are very much important. But lines will be drawn, always remember, by considering the minimum aspect. Minimum aspect means always number of lines should be minimum. And these lines will be drawn for covering the zeros. All zeros. So by drawing minimum number of lines, we have to cover all zeros. Clear? This is the necessity. Why this step is introduced in model? Very simple. In assignment, 1:1 relation is there. So if matrix is 4 into 4 means, if 4 lines are there means it is ready for final solution key. In final solution, 4 assignments are possible. That's why he may prescribe this lines concept. Understand? Some type number of lines will be not equals to matrix type or order of the matrix. So in that case, solution required the improvement. Solution required the improvement. So improvement procedure is what? Improvement procedure will be, first we have to check what are the open entries. After drawing number of lines on zeros or covering the zeros, we have to check what are the open entries. Clear? And from that, a smallest open entry will be selected. And that smallest element is deducted from all open entries. Thereafter, entries will be on line as it is same unchanged. And any area where intersection is coming, in that the smallest element what we picked will be added. This is the procedure explained in the model. Why this procedure is used, we'll discuss with reasoning when we solve the practical sum. Okay? After that, if again solution is means ready for the final step or final stage, that we have to check. So again we have to draw number of lines. If number of lines are again not same or not equal to matrix type, again improvement required. So this will continue till final solution, means the third step is or fourth step is ready for final solution. Clear? If number of lines are not equal to matrix type means we are not in a position to go for the final solution. So this process of improvement will continue. This process of improvement will continue. So this procedure is called as algorithm. This procedure is called as what? Algorithm. Algorithm means it will continue to repeat till the solution is not ready for final stage. Okay? In final stage, assignment will be given. So first we have to see in which column or which row number of zeros are exactly 1. First we will start from row. So in which row 1 0 is coming, first assignment will be given to that. And remaining zeros relating to that particular row or column will be exhausted. And thereafter this will be continued. Sometime after giving the assignment to first row or second row or third row or first column, second column or third column, sometime 2 zeros will be existing. It means even we try, we cannot give the assignment for 1 0. Compulsory 2 zeros will be available in the matrix. So whenever 2 zeros are available in the matrix in final solution and we cannot give the assignment on 1 0, it representing multiple optimal solution. It representing multiple optimal solution. It means that solution will have another solution also. It means that solution is not unique solution. That solution is not a unique solution. It is having one more option, one more means alternative solution. So that is called as multiple optimal solution. So all this we have to understand through one practical sum now. Okay. So this is a explanation actually. Okay. Okay, what steps we have to follow in assignment. So you can note this. All this we'll discuss through one practical example and practical sum. So whatever I explained so far, everything is given in the notes. So by referring these notes, you can solve basic level questions easily. Actually, in previous session, this part was pending. And one more thing, in operation research and quantitative techniques, students must carry scale and pencil. It is mandatory because sometime there is a possibility of small error also. So because of that small error, your solution will be damaged. So to overcome this, it is better to use pencil. So whenever dummy row or column is introduced, compulsory the elements should be 0. Reason is, in dummy row or dummy column, actual things are not there. Only for solving the question, and satisfying the condition, dummy row or column is introduced. This is the reason ki this dummy row or column is having zero elements. And many students will think that ki operation research already we studied at intermediate level, so this will be very simple. Again, what institute will test? So after attending the batch, you will understand. If simple question tested, you are lucky. If difficult question tested, you should prepare for that. So steps in assignment, first preliminary check, rows column check. Thereafter, main steps are row operation, column operation. So smallest elements we have to select from each row and each column, that will be subtracted from all other elements of that particular row or particular column. Always remember, column operation is required on reduced matrix. Means after row operation, the matrix is called as reduced matrix. So on reduced matrix, generally column operation is performed. So the rules which is set by this mathematician is what? Key after repeating the process, when zeros are coming, on those zeros, generally assignment will be given. So minimum number of lines will be used for covering the zeros. Clear? So if zeros are less means number of lines also less. If zeros are more means number of lines will be more. So ultimately in which row or which column zeros will not exist. Mostly those row, those column cell will not get assignment in final step. This is the logic. Because zero coming means after repetition, that is minimizing. Lines is always horizontal or vertical only. Other than this, don't use any other types of lines. See, after COVID, this is the first batch, live batch for new syllabus. So starting student will be less. Okay, so during COVID, we have given the coaching for 30-40 students batch also online. Okay, some batches 50 students also attended for final. But this is first new syllabus, first batch, na? So gradually students will increase. So full coverage will be there. If you refer these steps, automatically your all points will be covered. In such a way, steps are made here in very simplified version. Okay, so all points are properly noted. So already in previous session we understand what is row operation, what is column operation, what is the procedure to draw number of lines. Okay, so this is already understand, so you can copy these steps without any doubt. Now sometime one specific situation will exist. The number of lines is not equals to matrix type. So in that case, solution has to be improved. So what procedure should be followed? What procedure should be followed means, for example, this is the situation. Suppose this is the matrix. Okay, so this is 3 into 3 suppose this is 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, so in this, if you draw a number of lines to cover all zeros, so first I will check in first row how many zeros are coming. Only 1 0, second row 1 0, third row 2 zeros. Then column wise where number of zeros are more. Always whenever you drawing number of lines, the procedure which will be followed is check row and column which is having maximum zeros. Which is having maximum zeros. So in this example, if you analyze first row 1 0, second row 1 0, third row 2 zeros. Column wise, third column is having 3 zeros. So it means first assignment should be given to third one. Okay? Understand? And in row, this one. So draw this. In this way, number of lines will be drawn. So it means matrix type is 3 into 3, but number of lines are 2 only. So it is not ready for final solution. It is not ready for final solution. Now we have to improve this. We have to improve this. Clear? So improvement is required. So how to improve this? There is a procedure explained in assignment. Okay, that procedure I am explaining now. So very simple. First, what are the open entries? We have to check. So these are the open entries. This is called as open entries. In this open entries, what is least uncovered entry? 1. So this will be selected. So least uncovered entry will be selected here. So we are selecting this one. This is least uncovered element, or this is also called as least open entry. Least open entry, LOE. So LOE is 1 here. Okay, so this one we are selecting. Now question arises, why 1 is selected? Because intention is what? We have to get maximum number of lines so that it should be equals to matrix type. Otherwise we cannot ready for final solution. If lines are less than matrix type, final solution is not possible. So compulsory we have to reach to final solution. So it means when we can reach for final solution, when lines and matrix type is same. So lines will increase when zeros increase. Lines will increase when zeros increase. Otherwise lines will not increase. So if you select higher number, instead of 0, minus figure will come. Instead of 0, minus figure will come. That's why the mathematician explained what? Select least item. Select least item. This is the reason ki least item is selected here. Understand? Only we can discuss on what basis he made the rules. Okay? So don't challenge his principles and rules. So in that case, the least uncovered element or open entry is 1. So this is subtracted from all open entries. This is subtracted from all open entries. Because we need one more line. So we need 0. So 0 will come if you subtract small element, and one line will increase either in row or column. Either in row or column. So this will be 1, 2, 0. I subtracted from this. Okay. Here also 1. This will be 0. This. Now the question is, elements on line should be changed or should not require to be changed. Okay. So elements on lines will not change here. Why will it is not change? Because already these are representing zeros and already we have drawn the line. So again not required. Okay. So this is also 0, 1. But one question arises, sir, this is the intersection. So in intersection, 0 should be same, means whatever previous element that will be same, or it will change. So intersection items or intersection element will change here. So in intersection we have to add this minimum uncovered element. So this minimum uncovered element 1 we have to add in this intersection point. Okay, so after this will become 1. Okay. Now question arises, why at intersection point this will be added? See, intermediate level you learn this subject, but why it is added, that you do not learn. That we have to cover in finally in every topic. Otherwise intermediate level also you already learned. What is new here? So why this is added is the question. The reason is, if you do not add, there is a possibility ki here assignment will take place, because this point can be 0 also, this point can be 0 also. So here assignment can take place. So if you give the assignment to this particular cell or this particular area, intersection point, then in final solution there is a possibility ki one of the job cannot be assigned or unassigned, or one worker will be idle, because at intersection point mostly what happens ki maximum number of zeros will come, so that will exhaust the zeros. So because of that there is a possibility ki one worker will be idle or one particular job will be unassigned. So our intention is what? Ki all workers should be assigned with every job. Means each and every job should be assigned to all workers, and all workers should get at least one job. Clear? So because of intersection point, there is a possibility ki one of the worker can be idle and one of the job cannot be assigned also. So that's why he introduced ki at intersection point, this is mandatory to add. This is mandatory to add. This is the logic. Clear? If anybody asks you why at intersection point you have to add, so your answer should be very simple. If you do not add, there is a possibility ki sometimes 0 will there. So assignment will take place at that point. So because of that, sometime some workers will be idle. They will not get the assignment. And sometime some task will not be assigned. Some task will not be assigned, unassigned. So to overcome this rule, this is introduced. At intersection point, least uncovered element should be added to overcome this rule. To overcome the rule. Understand? So rule is what? All jobs should be assigned. Means every job should be assigned. No job should unassigned. So it should not be unassigned. It should be assigned. And every worker should get one job. Job or work, whatever. So at intersection point, if you do not add, there is a possibility ki some jobs can be unassigned and some workers are idle. This is the reason ki he introduced this methodology. Okay, now understand why this methodology is used. Okay, after that, now we can see the resulting matrix is 1 2 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. So far what we understand, when minimum number of lines are not equals to matrix type, first we have to select the least uncovered element from the open entries. Okay. And that will be subtracted from all open entries. Okay. After that, 1 0 will compulsory come. At least 1 0 will come. And thereafter, entries on line will not change. That will be as it is appears in the matrix. But at intersection point, we have to add the least uncovered element to avoid an assignment situation. To avoid an assignment situation. Clear? So after this, you can check how many lines will be required. So in this, so first we have to cover this. After this, one more line is required. Then only it is ready for final assignment. Clear? So from 2 lines we cannot cover the zeros. So it means now your solution is ready for final step. Your solution is ready for final step. Clear? Then assignment is possible. Then assignment is possible. Clear? So in this case, you give the assignment, how it can be done. So first check the row where only 1 0 exists. So in first row 1 0 exists. So give the assignment to this. And this particular row and this particular column, if any 0 is there, you should cancel that. So row there is no other 0, because of that only we assign this. But in column 1 0 is coming, so cancel this. Okay. So that again same column job should not be given to other worker, or same column task should not be given to other worker. This is the reason it is cancelled. This is the reason it is cancelled. See, solution is very simple, but defining the steps is very simple. Understanding logic is different. So now in final level we have to understand logic. That is your main objective. Clear? After that, in second row again 1 0 is coming. So in that row and column, if any extra zero is there, no. A row, no possibility, because of that only we give assignment. But column, any zero is there, no. So finally, this box assignment is possible. Okay. So what we understand so far, whenever number of lines are not equals to matrix type, and on what basis minimum number of lines will be drawn, and then how assignment will be given, and reason behind at intersection point why assignment is not given. Intersection point representing row and column exhausted simultaneously. Row and column exhausted simultaneously. If you exhaust row and column simultaneously, sometime how many assignments may be required? That will not come. How many assignments may be required? That will not come. Suppose we required 4 assignments. So if one row, one column is intersecting, so in that case, unassigned situation will come. What situation will come? Unassigned situation. So to overcome this intersection point, it is added. Okay? Understand? So this is the procedure. Select small number or element not covered by the lines. That is called as least open element, LOE. Right? Now revise the matrix with following adjustments. Subtract least open entry from open elements. Elements covered by lines will remain same or unchanged. Add least open entry to intersection or junction elements. Clear? After this, generally your solution will be improved, and again we have to check key number of lines are equals to order. If yes, we can go for the final assignment. If not, we have to repeat the steps. We have to repeat the steps. Okay? Understand? Next here is optimal assignment. Optimal assignment means it may be unique also, it may be multiple optimal also. It may be unique also, it may be multiple optimal also. So what is the difference between unique and multiple optimal? What is the difference between unique, multiple optimal? Okay? So check this example. This is the solution in which we have given the assignment. So this is a unique solution. This is what? Because here directly assignment is coming, optional situations are not coming. Optional situations are not coming. Okay? Sometime optional situations will come. Optional situation means what? Suppose instead of this matrix, this is the matrix so far we understand now. So sometime here optional situation will come. So here I have to draw lines here. So if I draw lines here, first line will be here. This is second line. And this is third line. Okay. So now it is satisfying the condition. Satisfying the condition. Okay. Now when final step is applied here, final step is applied here. So 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So first in which row 1, 0 is coming? First row. This will be strikeout. Okay. Now this is 1, 0. So this will be strikeout. Okay. And here assignment will come here. So this is very simple. But sometime what will happen? Here also suppose 1, 0 is there. Here also suppose 1, 0 is there. So what will be the situation? Hmm? Multiple option means in second row also, third row also, two zeros, column wise also two zeros. So 1 0 is not there, so we cannot give the assignment here. We cannot give the assignment here. So in that case, multiple optimal solution will come. What will come? It means arbitrarily we should give the assignment. Arbitrarily. We have to give the assignment arbitrarily. It means if you give here, this is cancelled. And this is cancelled. Ultimately, this will go to this one. Or one more solution is also possible. Okay. So suppose if you given the assignment to this cell, then this is cancelled and this is cancelled. So it means in previous case, first row column 3, second row column 1, third row column 2 is the assignment. But in one more case, multiple optimal solution is coming. So here first result is not change, but second row second column is coming and third row first column is coming. So this situation is called as multiple optimal solution. The solution can be unique also, solution can be multiple optimal also. Multiple optimal solution means same answer will come, answer will not change. But one more solution is also available. One more alternate solution is also available. So that situation is called as multiple optimal. But answer will not change, answer will remain same. Suppose in one answer is coming, another, no, that situation will not come. In multiple optimal case, answer will remain same. But more than one solution is there. More than one solution is there. So whenever more than one solution is available, that situation is called as multiple optimal solution. Like skip this particular situation, think about this. This is the situation. Okay. Suppose in final matrix, this is the situation. So exactly in first row only 1 0. After that there is no single 0, no. So it is highly impossible for you. You should assign for one single 0. So not possible practically. So arbitrarily we have to give the assignment. So this situation is called as multiple optimal situation or arbitrary situation. Understand? Clear? So this is explained here. Optimal assignment. Go row wise, identify a row with only 1 0 and draw a box. Clear? Continue this procedure with column and complete the assignment. Note, optimal solution may be unique or multiple. Optimal solution may be unique or multiple. Unique means option is not available. Multiple means more than one solution is available. Understand? Clear है? लिख लो अब. It means while you are going for the final step in matrix, if more number of zeros exist, means there is a possibility of multiple optimal solution. If zeros are limited to the extent of lines coverage only, then unique solution is coming. So ज़्यादा ज़ीरो आ गए तो आपको मल्टीपल ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन आने का चांस रहता है. ज़ीरोज़ अगर जितने ज़रूरी है उतने ही आ रहे हैं, उससे थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, तो सोल्यूशन आपका यूनिक निकलता है वहाँ पर. तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन रहने दीजिए या फिर असाइनमेंट रहने दीजिए. whenever transportation situation, assignment situation, zeros is very important. So more number of zeros means possibility of multiple optimal solution. Understand? Chale, now we'll start the practical questions on this. Before starting practical questions, one more small concept is there. What is that? See, sometimes there is a prohibited route also. Sometimes there is a prohibited route. So prohibited or restricted assignment. Prohibited or restricted assignment means what? Prohibited or restricted assignment means in assignment procedure we will not assign any cell in which there is a prohibition. It means any cell in which prohibition is mentioned, to that cell assignment is not made. It's called as prohibited or restricted assignment. Now why this is important and why assignment is not made in prohibited? For example, this is the matrix. This is the matrix. So this representing what? Prohibited. It means here we cannot give the assignment. Here we cannot give the assignment. Okay, 3 into 3 suppose. So here it will come, or in any place it will come. So place is not important. Whenever this type of symbol is given, it representing what? Okay, this is a prohibited or restricted assignment. Prohibited or restricted assignment. Sometime they will mention in this way, sometime they will mention M. Sometime they will mention M, big M. Okay? So in this particular situation, in these prohibited areas, assignment will not come. Clear? Now why assignment will not come in this prohibited area is the question. Assignment will not come, you know that, because already you studied. Clear? No. Prohibited or restricted assignment means if you give this assignment or task to that particular person or particular means worker or any manager or any XYZ, means the value which represented here is very high, which is not affordable. Which is not affordable. And if you give also, your cost will increase. If you give also, your cost will increase. As compared to others, he is charging very high amount. So will you give that? Not possible, na? See, suppose you want to file your income tax return, okay, or GST return. Clear? So 4 clients are there, 4 CA firms are there. Understand? But in that, one CA firm is charging very high fees as compared to other 3. as compared to other 3. So you will prefer to give that income tax work to that particular firm, or you will approach that firm? Obviously not. Obviously not, na. Always our objective is what? Minimization. Objective is what? Minimization. If one CFM or CMA firm is charging very high fees, obviously I will not go for that. I will not approach that. So simply I will avoid that. That's why it is called as prohibited. So because of high value, this is prohibited. Because of very high value, it is prohibited. Clear? So this is infinity. High value means there is no definition for that. There is no definition for that. So it is like infinity. From our point of view, we cannot afford that. From our point of view, we cannot afford that. That's why it representing what? Infinity. So if you give the assignment at infinity point, cost will minimum or increase. Think logically. Infinity per, if you give the assignment, cost will increase or decrease. Because you can charge unlimited amount also. You can charge very high amount also. It is practically not possible for you. That's why this is prohibited or restricted. See, any person who not able to do the job, why you will write in matrix? Think. कोई बच्चा काम ही नहीं कर सकता, क्यों डालते मैट्रिक्स में आप उसको? टाइम पास कर रहे क्या आप? सीए वाला टीचिंग में भी रहता, प्रैक्टिस में भी रहता. अब तुम टीचिंग वालों को यहाँ डालते, रिटर्न फाइल करता हो ना. टीचिंग वालों का कमाई पढ़ाने ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है भाई, कम भी हो सकता है. दैट इज नॉट. बट व्हाट एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग हियर, if you want to file income tax return, GST return, you have to consult with your CMA firm, CA firm. So who are giving the services, those people data only will write now. A particular person is there who is a qualified CA, CMA, but that person is not doing any GST or income tax work. That person data will write. So your answer is wrong. जो बच्चे काम ही नहीं कर सकते क्यों डालते उसमें आप? लॉजिकली समझो भाई, मैं तो लॉजिक पे बात करना पसंद करूंगा. आप सोचो, अपना बुद्धि लगाओ अपना. करेक्ट बोल रहा हूं नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं? क्योंकि असाइनमेंट में ऐसे लोगों को सिलेक्ट करते जो कुछ कर सकता हूं. नहीं करने वाले क्यों सिलेक्ट करेंगे अपन? नहीं करने वाले को सिलेक्ट करेंगे और उस पर असाइनमेंट आ गया तो इसको कुछ भी नहीं आता, फ्री में भी काम करता. जैसे आर्टिकल शिप करते अपन लोग, कम पैसों में करते बहुत, क्योंकि कुछ भी नहीं आता अपने को. बाद में सीखते ना ग्रेजुअली आप. यू आर द लर्नर्स. इन फ्यूचर यू विल बिकेम एक्सपर्ट इन दैट. दैट्स व्हाई ऑलवेज प्रोहिबिटेड और रेस्ट्रिक्टेड असाइनमेंट रिप्रेजेंट व्हाट? वेरी हाई वैल्यू, वेरी हाई वैल्यू. So this is the reason कि assignment is not made. Understand? Clear? चलिए. So this is also clear, right? So this is representing what? Very high value. High value means there is no definition, but we can conclude कि from our point of view it is not affordable. From this assignment point of view, it is not affordable. Clear? Right, sir. So this is prohibited or restricted assignment. Okay now? Clear है? अब और एक आता है इसमें, ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन असाइनमेंट. ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन असाइनमेंट पहले पूरे समझ लो. अगेन व्हेन प्रॉब्लम इज कमिंग आई विल गिव द नोट्स अगेन. डोंट वरी. क्लियर? क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यू स्टडीड एट इंटरमीडिएट लेवल. इफ आई रिपीट सेम, नोबडी विल बी इंटरेस्टेड. समथिंग डिफरेंट शुड बी देयर. So next is traveling salesman. Suppose this is the matrix. क्या इधर भी पी क्यू डालेंगे? Okay, suppose this is the numbers. I'm not writing numbers here. Suppose this is numbers. Okay, suppose you solve this question by using assignment procedure. Solve कर दिया आप. How to solve? First we have to go for row operation. Okay, then you have to go for column operation. Then minimum number of lines operation, या lines operation लिखेंगे उसको अपन लोग. Okay, and suppose after minimum number of lines operation, lines will be equals to matrix type or order of matrix. Then final assignment will come. So in final assignment, suppose this is coming. So P to R, R to S, S to T and T to Q आया समझिए. Okay, and Q to P, sorry. This is the situation. It means it is a circle समझिए. This is a circle. Means traveling salesman situation whenever came, traveling salesman has to complete the destination and he has to reach to the same position. He has to reach to the same original position. It means if he started the journey from this point, so first we'll go to Q, then Q to R, R to S, S to T, then T to T. Then he will come to his destination. Okay, understand? So this is the requirement. This is the requirement. He has to go first P to Q, then Q to R, then R to S, then S to, then T to P. This is actually requirement. This is requirement. But in solution, requirement is fulfilled? No. In solution, requirement is not fulfilled. So in which area you are not getting the requirement? This one and this one. So this must be changed. This must be changed. This is called as traveling salesman assignment. So simply if you follow Hungarian mathematician rule here and finally you are getting this assignment, means this is not correct, because this is not representing cost. Cost point of view, Hungarian mathematician steps are perfectly applicable, perfect answer will come. But this is a traveling salesman. When traveling salesman, from what point he started the journey, again he should reach to the same position. He started the journey from destination P. So in last he should reach to P. If he is not reaching to P, means requirement is not fulfilled. Condition is not fulfilled. So in that case, changes will necessary. Changes will take place. So according to requirement, this will be the situation. So he should start from P to Q, then Q to R, R to S, S to T, then T to P. Then he started from P and finally reached to P. So requirement is fulfilled. Here also started from P and reaching to P, but order is disturbed. Order is disturbed. Why? P to R, R to S, S to T, T to Q, Q to P. So it means from Q to P it is possible? No. Very difficult. It will take long distance or some time not possible also. So that's why this is not a proper route. This is not a proper route. Other procedure, yes, he can start from Q. Q to R, R to S, S to T, T to P. Okay? Clear? This is also then P to Q. Clear? In this case also your requirement is fulfilled? No. Because it started from Q and reaching to Q. If starting point is Q, this is correct. But starting point is what? P. Then this is not correct. It means combination can be anything. That is not very much important. What is important is from which destination we started, final ending point should be that destination only, and sequence should be correct. Sequence should be correct. अब सीक्वेंस में देखिए क्यू आर एस टी पी आएगा ना, ऐसा थोड़ी ना आर एस टी क्यू पी आता है क्या? ओके, सो दिस इज द ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन सिचुएशन. ओके, सो दिस वी विल सेपरेटली डिस्कस. तो क्वेश्चन आ सकता है इस पर, बिकॉज whenever traveling salesman question is coming, students think ki this should be solved in normal way by using Hungarian mathematician rule. So according to that, if you solve, sometime condition will not fulfill. Condition will not fulfill. Condition is what? From what destination he started the journey, he has to reach out to same destination again. So sometime in solution it will not possible. Different answer will come. So what are the areas in which difference is coming? That must be change. That must be change. So this is called as traveling salesman problem. Understand? So now we can start the practical questions. Okay. Like question number 1. See, all questions which are covered in the material is taken from past CA, CMA examination questions or study material. Okay, so all questions are important. A production supervisor is considering how he should assign 5 jobs that are to be performed by the 5 operators. He wants to assign the job to the operators in such a manner that aggregate cost to perform the job should be least. He has following information about wages paid to operators for the jobs should be performed. So first we have mentioned the jobs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then operators A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so jobs mentioned in the column, operators mentioned in the row. Understand? Jobs है column में, operators है row में. Required, assign the jobs to operators so that aggregate cost is least. So this is very basic level question. And basic level question means you don't think कि this type of question will not come. In June 2018 paper or December 18 paper exactly, I don't know, 3 into 3 matrix simple sum tested in 5 marks. Sometime luck, simple sum will also come. So here matrix is 5 into 5. So balance and balance. Balance है. So directly we can go for the assignment procedure by using the steps. Okay. So there is no need to introduce any dummy row or column because already it is balanced. Now in first row, what is the least? This will be selected and subtract the second, third, right. So after that, what is the result of this rows? Okay, 8, 1, 1, 0, 6. Here 7, 5, 6, 0, 5. Like this, result will come. After that, we have to perform the column operation. You have to perform the column operation. So in column operation, so resulting values in row operation will be what? This will be 8, 1, 1, 0. Okay, next is what? 7. Next. 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 Okay. Now this is what? 3. Okay, right. So in column operation, we have to perform the column operation for first column, second column, third column. Fourth column not required because zeros are यहाँ पर. Okay. So this is the resulting matrix after row operation. Clear? Thereafter we need column operation. क्या करना पड़ेगा? Column operation. So in column, what is the least element? Here 1 है, select कर लो. Next 1, next here 2. Okay. So after this, we have to write the values. You have to write the values. Understand? तो देख लीजिए फर्स्ट दिस इज द ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स. सो इन 3 3 वही है ना, 7 5 6 2 4 3 5 8 2 4 9 10 9 6 10. So first I circled the least element from every row. Okay, then I decide to subtract this. तो subtract कर देना पड़ेगा. After that this is the resulting. फिर उसके बाद लीस्ट एलिमेंट इज व्हाट? 1 1 1 0 2. तो अब कॉलम 4 इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. सो फ्रॉम एवरी कॉलम यू हैव टू डिडक्ट दिस लीस्ट आइटम, सॉरी लीस्ट एलिमेंट. ओके. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? 7 6 4 0 2 फर्स्ट कॉलम, देन 0 4, राइट. सो दिस इज द रिजल्ट. दिस इज द रिजल्ट. ओके, ये रिजल्ट आया आपको, राइट. ये रिजल्ट है आपका कॉलम ऑपरेशन रिजल्ट. दिस इज व्हाट? कॉलम ऑपरेशन रिजल्ट. ओके. Check. If any doubt is there, I will explain one more time. So this is very simple, right? After this, we have to draw minimum number of lines. So lines operation. So lines operation means lines should be minimum रहना चाहिए. Okay. So matrix is 7 0 0 0, 4, 6, 4, 0, 2, 4, 2, 2, 5, 3, 5, 2. Okay, so when we draw minimum number of lines, always remember first in which row more number of zeros are coming, check. तो कौन से रो में आ रहे हैं more zeros? First row, fourth row. This you have to tick. Particular है आपको. Then column, fourth column. So first we have to draw this. Okay, fourth column. तो fourth column पे आ रहा है. Okay, तो draw कर दो lines इधर. 1. So after this all zeros are covered. Okay. और एक है क्या? तो ठीक है, एक लाइन और है तो ड्रॉ कर लो, और उसमें क्या टेंशन की बात है. सो हाउ मेनी लाइंस? 4 हो गए. मैट्रिक्स 5 है. सो इट मीन्स मैट्रिक्स इज नॉट रेडी फॉर फाइनल असाइनमेंट. सो इंप्रूवमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. इंप्रूवमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. सी दिस लाइन आई हैव ड्रॉन इन दिस वे ना. सम स्टूडेंट्स विल ड्रॉ वर्टिकली ऑल्सो. ऐसा भी ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. ओके, clear? That is also correct. This is also correct. There is no mistake in that. If you draw vertical line, if you draw horizontal line, both are correct. There is no mistake in that. But the problem is what? If you draw this vertical line here, your least uncovered element will be 2. Least uncovered element कितना आएगा? 2. Okay, sometime least uncovered element will not change. If you draw horizontal line also, vertical line also, sometime it will change. That is the only difference. Okay, so least uncovered element sometime change, sometime same. So in this question, if you draw horizontal line or vertical line, in both cases your least uncovered element is 2 only. Here 2 will come. Either if you draw horizontal line also, vertical also, here least uncovered element is what? 2 only. Understand? Now I have to select this least uncovered element 2 and I will deduct it from open entries. So open entries are what? 6, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 2. So from this I will subtract this. So this will be change. So 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. This is 0, this is 1. This is 0, this is 1, this is 0. Entries on line will be same. Now intersection areas we have to add this. Intersection area we have to add this. Understand? Chaliye. So after this, what can be the result? So this is same. Here we have to add intersection point. Here also we have to add. Then 6 minus this is same. This is not changed. This is same. Next. Next. Right. This is the resulting matrix. Okay. Okay. Now we have to check key. This is ready for, means minimum number of lines are matching with matrix type or order of the matrix. So in which column, which row more number of zeros are there, we have to check. Row 3 and row 5, column wise. कॉलम में सबसे ज्यादा किधर है? फोर्थ कॉलम. फोर्थ कॉलम. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ लाइंस हियर. पहले यहां ड्रॉ कर देना. ओके. After this, we have to check. Okay. After this, we have to check first row. So this is also covered here. Okay. First column. Or you can draw in row also. So now, how many lines coming? 5. So it means your assignment is ready for final step. Understand? Already this is done. Roughly I am explaining. हो गया इधर. Okay. So least open entry is subtracted. Least open entry added to junction or intersection. Entries covered by lines will remain unchanged. So accordingly, this is the result. After that, again I have to draw the lines. So number of lines are coming 5 now. So this is equal to matrix type. This is equals to what? Matrix type. Now I will perform the assignment here. So I will perform the assignment 7 0 0 2 6 4 2 3 0 3 2 0 1 0 0 0 2 5 2 2 0 1 0 0 2. Now in which row exactly 1 0 is coming? Second row. तो इसके कैंसिल कर देना आप. ओके. कॉलम रो में है नो. नेक्स्ट थर्ड करेक्ट. राइट. नेक्स्ट कॉलम वाइज चेक. फिफ्थ रो. to cancel this. Next column wise. Column wise check करो. This one नहीं. हाँ इसमें आएगा. राइट. कैसा भी कर सकते जी. पहले सुनो. फर्स्ट इन विच रो एग्जैक्टली 1 0 इज कमिंग चेक दैट. फिर से करो. उसमें क्या है? कंफ्यूज क्यों रहे ऐसा? फर्स्ट चेक इन विच रो एग्जैक्टली 1 0 इज कमिंग. आराम से देखो. सेकेंड रो इसको टिक कर दो. नेक्स्ट को टिक करो. ओके. पहले उस पर असाइनमेंट करो. क्यों टेंशन ले रहे? ओके. सो वंस असाइनमेंट इज गिवन हियर, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना. हियर देयर इज नो अदर जीरो, सो इट विल नॉट कैंसिल. राइट. नेक्स्ट ये रहेगा ना. ओके. उसके बाद चेक करो. फिर अब कॉलम वाइज चेक करना. आप कॉलम वाइज कौन सा है? फिफ्थ कॉलम ना. एग्जैक्टली 1 0. ये तो उस रो का कैंसिल करो. ओके. उस रो का कैंसिल करो. क्लियर. अब फिर उसके बाद रो वाइज चेक करो. फिफ्थ कैंसिल करो. हो जाएगा. असाइनमेंट में मिस्टेक नहीं आता है. लाइन में मिस्टेक आता. मिस्टेक कहाँ था? लाइन में आता. यहां पे नहीं आता मिस्टेक. ओके. अंडरस्टैंड. अब ये सिंपल सिंपल समझ आ गया. और बहुत दुनिया देखना है आपको. ये बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन सही है. आगे मालूम पड़ेगा कैसे कैसे. मैं एडवांस में क्यों बोलना मैं अननेसेसरी. ओके. सो कॉपी दिस. सो पेंसिल से टिक करना. जैसा मैं बता रहा हूं ऐसे सॉल्व करो. ओके. यूज पेंसिल हियर. लिस्ट because max sometime what will happen, silly mistake will take place. If your max is very strong, no need. Sometime some students max will be because of gap affected na, so they should use pencil. and this is matrix here. So matrix is a डब्बा बना दो इसको आप. This is matrix. So in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, small element is 2. So 2 subtracted. Okay. So in row operation, resulting matrix is 8, 1, 1, 1, 0, 6, like this. In column, least element is first column 1, second 1, third 1, fourth not required actually 0, fifth 2. So subtract that. After that, resulting matrix is okay. Thereafter, lines. When you draw the lines, please follow my instructions properly. Where number of zeros are more, in which row, take that row or rows. Similarly, columns also. First, draw lines on that, so that there is a possibility ki minimum lines will come. So first, second, third step completed. Completed. Now question number 3 we will start. Simple question. gradually your level of complexity will increase. Actually, in live streaming, the problem is I have to check their messages. I have to check their messages, and screen size is very small, mobile phone. So, if it is directly uploaded in the app, directly it is coming in app. Okay, maybe from 1 week, after 1 week they will manage this. So, solution finally completed. Right. Question number 3. Three different salesmen XYZ are to assign 3 different regions. Okay. So 3 salesmen are there XYZ. Okay. So 3 different salesmen XYZ and 3 different regions ABC. So each salesman has to get one region, so that company's revenue should be maximized. Okay. So following matrix give the sales revenue. So this is a revenue. So maximization is the objective. What is the objective? So first we have to convert this maximization into minimization. Okay. Thereafter we have to apply the assignment procedure. So here 2 techniques are there. How to convert a maximization problem into minimization? 2 techniques are there. What are the 2 techniques? First, highest select kalana. Highest is what? So deduct. Okay. 60 minus 10. Okay. This you understand. Okay. Why this is converted into minimization? Why Hungarian mathematician mentioned कि convert maximization problem into minimization, then only apply the steps. So you understand कि to convert maximization into minimization, you have to select the highest entry and all entries will be subtracted from this. All entries will be subtracted from this. So you understand this. But why this is used? Why he prescribed this particular technique? Opportunity cost. Yes, that is correct. One more reason is also there. Yes. Yes. Clearly mention. Clearly mention. That is already I told. Any other reason from your side? Yesterday this point already I mentioned. See, the main 2 reasons are correctly explained by you. There is no doubt in that, correct? But the main reason is, if you do not convert the maximization problem into minimization, what will happen is, the assignment will come in minimum numbers. The assignment will come in on minimum numbers. So on minimum numbers, if assignment coming, revenue will maximize. Logically think, revenue will maximize. Not maximize. That's why conversion needed. That's why conversion required. Suppose if you are not converting, so on minimum numbers, assignment will come. And in final, total is also minimum na. Total is also minimum. Our objective is what? Maximization. That's why conversion required. That's why conversion required. Understand? So this is the opportunity loss. Opportunity loss means what? If 60 minus 10, 50. This is what? Opportunity loss. So it means we are converting the matrix into cost form. We are converting this matrix into cost form. So best method is what? Select highest number and all elements you should deduct from this highest number. Automatically opportunity loss will come. Or this is called as cost matrix. This is called as what? Cost matrix. So why this is called as opportunity loss? It means if you are not giving the assignment to highest number, if you are giving the assignment to lowest number, you lose the opportunity or not. भाई शेयर मार्केट में जिस शेयर पे ज़्यादा रिटर्न मिल रहा है उसमें नहीं डाल के तुम छोटे वाले में डालेंगे तो अपॉर्चुनिटी लॉस होता नहीं होता है. It means you are investing in a share market. You have not invested in a stock which is giving more return. Instead of that, you pick the stock in which return is less. So there is the opportunity cost or not. So here also same. Here also same. It means if you are not giving the assignment to highest number, instead of that, if you give the assignment to other, so you lose something. Suppose one stock is giving 60% return. Instead of that stock, you invested in other stock that is giving 40% return. How much is your opportunity loss? 20. This is the reason. Understand? We are converting this. And this is called as what? Opportunity loss matrix. Opportunity loss matrix. Clear? So this is very simple. First, what we need to do? Convert the maximization into minimization. So देखिए, in assignment, maximization of revenue profit will be determined by converting the revenue matrix into cost matrix. Okay? So this is revenue matrix. So select the highest element from revenue matrix and subtract all elements of the matrix from this highest element to obtain the opportunity cost or loss matrix. Clear? So this is the resulting matrix. Already you have given this answer. 50, 0. Already given now. Then this matrix we will use for solving the final assignment. So this is the matrix coming. Okay? 50, 0, 30, 40, 30, 45, 0, 20, 50. Okay? Now we have to apply row operation, column operation. Okay? So in every row 1 0 is coming now. First row 1 0. तो ठीक है पहले मैट्रिक्स लिखना पड़ेगा ना. 50, 0, 30, 40, 30, 45, 0, 20, 50. Okay, so if you write this matrix, this will be 50, 0, 30, 40, 30, 45, 0, 20, 50. Then apply row operation. Then apply what? Row operation. So row operation means first row operation required or no? Second row minimum number is what? 30. Okay. And third row minimum number is what? Next row. Sorry, 3 ही रो है ना, sorry. So this is matrix. यहाँ लिख देंगे एक बार इसको. Okay, so first row, third row not required, second row only required. Okay, so accordingly, first row, third row there is no change, but in second row change is taking place. That is 10, 0, 15 coming. Then column operation. So first column, second column 0 is there, so no need to change. Third column minimum number is 15, deduct it. So 30 minus 15, 15 minus 15, 50 minus 15. So 15, 0, 35. Now we have to draw number of lines here. Okay. The number of lines to cover the element, they should be minimum. So in first row 1 0, second row 2 zeros, third row 1 0. Column wise, first column 1 0, second column 2 zeros. So first draw a line on second row, second column. After that, if any 0 is there, cover that 0. So first one line is drawn on second row and one line is drawn on second column. After that, one 0 is coming in third row and first column. Third row and first column, this one, this one. Okay. So either you can draw horizontal line or vertical line to cover this. Means column 1 and row 3 entry. Column 1, row 3 entry. You can draw vertical line also, horizontal also. ऐसा भी draw करे तो चल जाएगा, ऐसा भी draw करे तो चल जाएगा, right? Ultimately, number of lines are equals to matrix order. So optimal assignment is possible? Yes, of course possible. So in which column 1 0 is coming first? कौन से कॉलम में आ रहा है? फर्स्ट रो में आ रहा है ना, तो फर्स्ट उसमें डालो. दिस विल बी स्ट्राइक आउट. ओके, क्लियर? नेक्स्ट यहाँ आ रहा है ना, हो गया असाइनमेंट. क्लियर? दैट्स इट. So 135 is the total revenue. 135 is the total revenue. Understand? Clear? So 135 is your total revenue. So this is very simple also. Like first this 30 came. Next कौन सा आया? हाँ 60 आया. सही में 60 आया, सॉरी. First 60 आया, then 15, then 60. This is your final result. Clear? So it means total is 135, right? Total is 135. Okay. So this is very simple solution. Only this is a maximization question, so we are converting into minimization. Okay now? Now transportation problem also we can solve in assignment. Transportation problem also we can solve in assignment, but the mandatory condition is what? Demand supply should be same and rows column should be same. If demand supply rows column same, we can solve from assignment. If demand supply different, then transportation problem cannot be solved in assignment. Clear? అవసరం లేదు రాసేది. Why we recorded in this box means at the time of revision this will give the clarity. Examination not required. Directly in examination you should start from opportunity cost matrix. Okay, directly subtract and directly write the matrix, start the operations. So all these notes are previous batch notes only. पूरा सिलेबस थोड़ी ना चेंज कर दीजिए. नो इंस्टीट्यूट विल चेंज. वैसा सिलेबस चेंज करो तो पढ़ाने वाले नहीं मिलते फिर. रिसेंटली सी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑल्सो रिलीज न्यू सिलेबस. वही है पुराना सिलेबस, ये ओनली सब्जेक्ट्स रिमूव्ड, ओनली सब्जेक्ट्स रिड्यूस्ड, सिलेबस सेम, नो चेंज. एक दो चैप्टर ऐड करते हैं, एक दो निकाल देते हैं, और क्या है. सी में ऑल्सो 3-4 टॉपिक्स रिमूव, 3-4 टॉपिक्स इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. तो 60% सिलेबस न्यू इंट्रोड्यूस, 40% ओल्ड ओनली. ऑपरेशन रिसर्च वही है, लेवल ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विल डिफरेंट. सो फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑनवर्ड्स यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. अभी तो बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स वी आर सॉल्विंग, इट इज लुकिंग लाइक वेरी सिंपल. See, through correct guidance and through correct means dedication, you can reach to very good position. Understand? Completed now? Right. So in next class, we'll discuss some different varieties of questions. So question number 7 is homework for you. If you interested, you can solve. Dummy column required here. What is required? Dummy column. If you understand, you can solve. Otherwise, I will explain. Don't worry. Okay. Question number 7. This is your homework. Okay. So here 4 methods are there. Increasing production units in work centers given. This is 3 only. So combination will be 4 into 4 required now. But here it is given what? 4 into 3 given. So one dummy required here. What required? It is 0. Okay, and then you can start. Right? Okay, and read the question properly. Minimization or maximization to check properly. Otherwise, I will solve this question. Don't worry in next session. Clear? You understand, solve. Otherwise, skip. Right?